Aloha! I'm Dr. Kelsey Becker here at the Hawaii Naturopathic Retreat Center. We're in our commercial kitchen and Dr. Balak just showed us how to make a really beautiful salad. And so I'm going to use some of those same techniques that she used for preparing the greens. This is a washed collard leaf. And I'm going to show you how to make it into a really delicious wrap. So here I've already prepared some vegetables. I used a grater to shred some carrots, some daikon radish, and some beets. And then I also have some local sprouts and mushrooms, as well as some herbs. This is cilantro, mint, and parsley. And I also have some green onions, olives, tomatoes, and bell pepper. So you can fill your wrap with whatever ingredients that you enjoy. We like to get a lot of colors in our food because it provides good beta-carotenoids that can help with eyesight and other anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. So we use food as medicine. It's a very, very powerful tool. If you're eating delicious and nutritious food for all of your meals, it's really going to impact your whole entire body. So here I have the collard greens, and one way you can make it into a wrap is just by de-stemming it. And so here we've cut out the stem, and you can do that a variety of ways, either cutting down like so, or kind of cutting into it and then removing the stem like that. And so we always save the stems. Even though they're this hardy texture, they're not as easy to eat. We like to save them and use them for a broth later because they still contain a lot of minerals, lots of potassium, calcium, magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin E, so you still want to get those into your diet, and so those can be used in a broth later. So here I have the wraps, and I'm just going to fill them up with some of the vegetables that I've prepared. So lots of color here, looks really beautiful. The daikon radish can add a little bit of spice. I like the sprouts. These sprouts are locally grown and they're just really delicious and full of minerals. And some bell pepper, and we're eating a rainbow full of color. Some of the green onion. These mushrooms are really nice. You can marinate them like Dr. Balak had said, and so we can do that in another video. Here I'm just going to put a couple on top and maybe a few tomatoes as well, and a squeeze of some lime just to give it a little bit of a pre-dressing. Although we've also made a dressing here, and this is really simple. You can make dressings out of anything really. We made this with sesame seeds, lemon juice, turmeric, and ginger, and a little bit of cumin. So it's few ingredients, but it provides a nice sauce to give this more moisture. You can use it as a dip. I'm going to use it as a spread in here, so I'm just going to kind of lie it in just like I did with all the rest of the vegetables. And now this is pretty packed. And you don't have to make it a wrap every time. You can kind of individually pack a leaf like a taco shell. And I'm just going to wrap it up. And now we have a nice wrap. Just give it a cut. And voila. Look how beautiful that is. So we can pair it with our dip, and that makes a really good lunch. Thank you for watching.